welcome back to the Rusty Blades channel. So it's that time of day again. It's supposed to be fun time. There's my wife in background, absolutely loving it she is. My dog, where's my dog? As I said last week that I was going to try and get some footage from inside the college. I think it'll be an absolutely fantastic opportunity for people who are in the same boat as me, who was unsure whether they were wanting to go to college, so they'll be able to have a look around and actually see what it's like. So stick with me.
Nobody ever made me feel this way. I must stick with you.
Hopefully we'll get some footage inside. And like I said, I was on the school run, and here's my little lad. Say hello. Have you had a good day at school?
Okay, and you can either start at the front, at the back, and move to the... You're heading towards... And can you see your bubble? It's literally like a normal spirit level.
Yeah.
Have you ever used a spirit level?
Yeah.
So you've got to get your bubble between the two lines. Now if it was me, I would start, and you can take off as much or as little as you want, providing you make sure, can you see, if I do that, you know you're not level. So you don't have to rest it on the scale. You can lift it up. As long as that bubble is in the middle, then clipper it off. So I would go in and take a little bit off first.
Yeah.
I wouldn't go in and go mad.
I'm getting really sick of you! Get out now! No! Get out! Get out now!
All right, take that off and then work your way.
Yeah.
All right, and then we'll go back in and do it up.
Say hi, Charlotte.
Hi.
Look at Charlotte, showing it all off, look. Look at that.
This is yeah.
What's he called?
It's Jesus, but he's had a haircut.
Alright, because mine's called Trevor.
I think I might have to change his name now. He's got short hair, so we'll call him Gary.
Gary?
Yeah.
He looks like a Gary actually,
does.
doesn't he? You know, off Team America.
And just what does this have to do with me?
But he prefers to be called Gaz.
sorry guys, I realised that when I'd done the fade, I didn't record it like an absolute knobhead, so I'm sorry about that. This is the photos of what I did do. The lines on there, they was thick. I had to put them on thick just so it showed that I'd done some detail lines. Can't tell if Lee's concentrating or not with mask on. General Lee. That's what we all do. Oh, look at Kim's laptop. So guys, that was part 2. We made it into the college, which was absolutely awesome. So I hope you've taken something out of this. I hope you've enjoyed looking around where I actually do my college course. If anyone's sat on the fence, just jump off that fence, give it a really good go, because I tell you what, you won't be disappointed. I am absolutely loving it. The best thing that has happened to me is losing my job, so I could actually go into something that I really wanted to do for a long time. So stay tuned, we've got part 3 coming. All I can say is I'll see you in the next one. Ta-da!